I've never replaced a door handle on a Dodge pickup before. Many other vehicles, but not this particular model of Dodge. This was a little challenging to get everything to work right, but just gotta sit there and tinker with it and figure it out. The lock rod for the door lock has to be put on with the handle out. The door latch rod, you have to put the handle in and try to get that little rod in there in a 1-inch space to go in and get clipped in on the inside of the door. So this is quite a thing to get this thing put in right. Personally, I think Dodge could have done a little better job on this design, but who am I to tell them what they should design and what they shouldn't? Yeah, I needed real powerful miniature hands to reach in there and get that clip on there. I mean, getting the rod in the hole was hard enough, but getting the clip to clip onto the rod is just incredibly difficult. Perfect time to lube up the door a little bit, make sure everything works. Some of the tape that somebody previous to me put on here to cover up these holes is losing some of its sticky, so I'll just put some contact cement on there to keep it from peeling away. All finished up. Now I just put the door panel back on and ready to go.